Hi, so we're going to be going through Ekpadasana, which is a one-legged balancing pose, also known as balancing stick pose. So it's best that you start in the middle of your mat, feet are at hips width. This time though, your drishti point is going to come down toward the top end of your mat. From there, you're finding that proper Tadasana stance, micro bend to the knee, play around with your weight a bit, and then slowly shift the weight onto the right leg. Start to bring the upper body forward like you're going into an angel pose. And you can always stay here if it's enough, or take the palms onto the hip. But as you continue to hinge the upper body forward, we want to try to bring that back leg up at the same time. The idea is, at the side, your body looks like a capital T. Set those shoulders down and back so your chest remains lifted. Internally rotate through that back leg so the kneecap faces the ground. You're not stacking hips. Your hips are level. There can be a micro bend in the knee, especially if you tend to hyperextend, or maybe you've got a block or some kind of a chair around you that you could balance on. The true balancing stick pose is just reaching the arms forward, and the full version of this is also known as Warrior 3. Let's slowly start to mindfully bring ourselves back to a stand. If you feel compression through the back, palms to the lower back, press the hips forward. Take a few breaths there as a reset, and we're just going to do the other side so we have balance. So again, you're in the middle of your mat, eyes are at the top, hinge from the crease of those hips as now the back right leg comes up. Keeping an internal rotation through the knee, hips are level, shoulders are down and back, chest remains lifted. Balancing stick, also Warrior 3, you can start to reach those arms forward. And remember, if you ever feel compression through the spine, you could simply bring yourself up and out of the angle if it's too much. Wherever you are, taking about 2 more breaths. Engaging through the belly and core, slowly come up, and that's it. Nice job.